car in any try drag racing. Talked about variety of race cars. We've even got Malibu wagons.
This is not the Griswold family truckster. John Tell, ready to go in a station wagon. Haven't seen too many of these, and I don't know if he wants the wood paneling on, but I think it would look kind of nice.
Well, it's a good thing it's not the Griswold's car, otherwise it'd have Granny on top.
Well, it's a Malibu wagon. Now, these cars, by comparison to the Gremlins and the Chevette.
Oh, man. Wow, what a pleasant surprise. I was not expecting it. Small tire car, too, man.
Yeah, it looks like a little 9, 10.5-inch tire car. And that baby was going pretty good. And it tried to go toward the center line. Watch it right here. He's headed toward the cone. Boom, gets the 330-foot clock cone right there. And I got to tell you, that's going to be second longest, at least, in my eyes here so far. Oh, yeah, you can see the gang behind the start line, the crew. That baby hit, when it hit pretty hard, Ken. Right there, takes out the cone, moves back in the right-hand lane, and they're happy, and they very well should be.